Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to go through the assembly of the Scrollwork Metal Doll Armoire with the storage dresses and accessories. Before we get started, make sure you look at all the pieces included. If you're missing anything or have any damaged parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown on the end of the instructional video. So let's get started. For step 1, you need 2 of part A, the sides, part B, the bottom rack. You need 4 of the K bolts, 4 of the L nuts, and the M wrench. So first for this step, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the sides. You're going to see these metal tabs. You're going to want to have these facing towards the inside, towards each other. When facing towards each other, these bottom 2 tabs are going to support the bottom piece. You're going to notice that all 4 corners have a hole, and one of the sides it's going to be more flush with these round bars. You're going to put it down on the 2 bottom metal tabs, making sure that this flat metal piece is flush or flat against this hole here. If you have it upside down, you're going to have a gap between this flat metal piece and this bottom tab. You do not want that gap, so make sure that you have it spun the right way so that they're flush together. I'm just going to take a bolt, put it through each side, and then I'm just going to take a nut and loosely put it on here so that it stays up for me. Do the same thing here. Now I'm just loosely putting these on, and then once I get the other side put into place, then we'll tighten all 4 corners. So again, the metal tabs on the side are going to go underneath this bottom piece. So this is going to rest on top. And then lastly, what we're going to be doing is tighten these all into place using a hand Phillips screwdriver and the wrench provided. So what you want to do is take the wrench, put it around the nut, hold that tight into place. Then you're going to take the hand Phillips screwdriver from the other side while holding that wrench and tighten it completely. Then you're going to go to the next one and do that on all 3 corners so that each bolt and nut are tightly secured. So hold that nut into place and screw it in from the other side. Like so. For step 2, you need part C, the top rack, 2 of part K, the bolts, and 2 of part L, the nuts. So next what we're going to be doing is putting on the top rack. Essentially, you're going to see the 2 metal tabs on each edge that have the hole. It's going to align to the 2 holes here on top. So we're going to rest this on top to where it's flush. Then we're going to put that bolt going downward. And then you're going to align the other side as well and put the bolt going down. Now in order to hold the bolt into place, again, we're going to have the nut going up from the bottom. I'm just going to loosely put that into place right now. And then we're going to tighten that with the provided wrench. So again, we're going to take that metal wrench, we're going to hold the nut into place, hold it still, and then take a hand Phillips screwdriver and tighten that in. Repeat on the other side. And then you're all set. And lastly, we're going to assemble the drawer, where you're going to take the drawer bottom, you're going to unfold it, place this drawer bottom in the very bottom. So you're going to place it all the way down firmly but gently until it creates that basket drawer shape. Then you have a drawer top you can put on top, and then you can accessorize the armoire. We can put all the dresses and the hangers all in their place, and the backpack. And that concludes the assembly of the Scrollwork Metal Doll Armoire with the storage dresses and accessories. Remember, if you have any questions, so please contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching, and enjoy.